How to delete Duolingo account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this easy tutorial. Launch your Duolingo application. Make sure that your application is up to date and you are logged into a Duolingo account. So in order to delete your Duolingo account, it is very simple. All you have to do is to log into your account first and foremost. Once logged in, at the bottom, tap on your person icon in the center. Then this is your profile, and at the very top you will see a setting gear option. Tap on it. So from here you have to scroll down at the very bottom until you see the option of delete account. You have to tap on where it says delete account, so go ahead and tap on the bubble given to you. Now in order to confirm regarding it, you have to tap again delete account. Make sure that this deletion can take up to 30 days. Also note that by deleting your account, you will not be cancelling the existing Super Duolingo subscription if you have it. So in order to cancel your subscription, you have to visit your App Store or Google Play Store or Duolingo customer service. For the confirmation regarding your account deletion, Duolingo will most likely send you an email. In here, you will be able to use your drive through Duolingo.com to request a deletion of your Duolingo data. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.